Hi, Ellie here, and today we're traveling to Porto to put together drones. Yes, I will tell you a little bit more about how companies use AI to make these drones smarter. Traditional drones used to rely only on manual control and pre-programmed paths. Now, with the help of AI, they have eyes. They can predict, they can act, and change their route in real time. Drones are now empowered by AI in so many industries: agriculture, logistics, disaster, surveillance, you name it. Let's break down key functions companies are building into drones. Computer vision for obstacle avoidance, target recognition. Companies like Skydio use AI vision recognition to follow the subject and dodge trees, all autonomously. Pathfinder and navigation. AI helps drones to reroute based on changes. Swarming intelligence. Inspired by bees and birds, drones can collaborate using AI. Intel is already proving it by showing it in light shows, and military is using it for surveillance.
Now it's up to you what you're gonna do with this information. If you cannot beat them, join them.